14022 Leroy virtual tour. You have a double car garage up back here, large fenced in backyard. It's a gorgeous area in Kamms Corner. You do have a basement down here for storage. So all that's down here, and so is your laundry and all that. Glass block windows for privacy, but right over there is your laundry. And let's go upstairs here where we can look at all this. You have newer vinyl flooring in the kitchen. The refrigerator stays. And you have gas cooking also, which stays. And you have a dishwasher. Gorgeous kitchen. I don't know if you call it an eat-in or dining room, but you have an extra there for eat-in. And you have a large open living room that has a little breakfast bar type here. You want to put food here and have people over. And there you go. The woods, it has great, nice looking wood floors. So, and then all the bedrooms are upstairs. So let's go upstairs here. And so the first bedroom here, you have parquet, we refinished it. All new plugs, switches, blinds. Very nice area, room. Large closet area, so you actually have two closets here, and you have one here. So that's good. And let's go. Here's the bathroom. You have a full bath up here in this. It's a nice bath. And here's the larger bedroom. All the newer windows too. And you see you have a ceiling fan. There's your closet. Nice big bedroom. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath in Kamms Corner. Virtual tour. Thanks.